Good day everyone, this is Basic Math Gaming. For our daily maths number 5, what is the value of the discriminant of x squared plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0? So tara, sagutan natin. So first, ano ba ang discriminant? The discriminant tells the type of roots the equation has. Kung meron ba tong dalawang roots, kung merong isang roots, or kung walang roots. Okay? So sagutan na natin. Para masagutan natin ang problem na ito, kailangan natin ang formula ng discriminant. Ano ba ang formula ng discriminant? The formula of discriminant is D is equal to B squared minus 4 times A times C. Okay? Ang una nyong gagawin dito, identify nyo muna si A, B, and C to the given quadratic equation. So, based on the given, A is equal to 1. Remember that A is always the coefficient of the quadratic term, while B is the coefficient of the linear term, which is 4, and C is always the constant term. Okay? So, substitute to the given formula, D is equal to B squared minus 4AC. D is equal to 4 squared minus 4 times A, which is 1, times C, which is 5. Okay? So, perform the operation or apply the PEMDAS rule. So, 4 squared is equal to 16 minus 4 times 1 is 4 times 5, which is 20. Okay? So, perform the operation again, which is minus 16 minus 20 is equal to negative 4. So, therefore, ang sagot natin for this problem is negative 4, which is A in our choices. So, kung nagustuhan nyo to, paki-heart naman, follow for more.